Hello, students. I am Mansi Agarwal, Assistant Professor, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this video lecture series, we will be looking at one of the unit of data structures, that is searching and sorting. So in lecture 1, we will be discussing the linear search algorithm with the help of an example, and we will implement it in C language. We will also be looking at the time and space complexity analysis of this algorithm. Similarly, in lecture 2, we will be discussing the binary search algorithm. And in lecture 3, we will be discussing indexed sequential search algorithm. In lecture number 4, we will be discussing about the various types of sorting algorithms, wherein we will see what is the difference between stable and unstable sorting techniques, in place and not in place sorting techniques, and we will also see what are internal and external sorting techniques. In lecture number 5, we will be looking at the bubble sort algorithm with the help of an example, and we will implement the bubble sort algorithm with the help of C language. We will also derive the time and space complexity of this algorithm. Similarly, in lecture number 6, we will be looking at the selection sort algorithm. In lecture number 7, we will see how the insertion sort algorithm differs from the rest of the sorting techniques with the help of an example, and we will implement it in C language. In the next lecture number 8, we will be discussing about the next sorting algorithm, which is based upon the divide and conquer technique, that is merge sort. We will be discussing it with the help of an example, and we will implement it using C language, and we will also derive the complexity of this sorting technique. In lecture number 9, we will be discussing about the quicksort algorithm, how the quicksort algorithm is called the fastest algorithm, and we will also implement it with the help of C language. In lecture number 10th and 11th, we will be looking at the counting sort algorithm and the Reddick sort algorithm, and we will also see the complexity analysis of these algorithms. In lecture number 12, we will see how the heap sort is used to sort an input array. Heap sort algorithm uses the tree structure of an array. We will also discuss the min heap and the max heap. We will discuss how the array can be sorted with this technique with the help of an example, and we will derive the complexities, and we will implement this algorithm in C language. In lecture number 13, we will be looking at the hashing technique, and we will see the various components of hashing. We will also see the properties of hash function. We will also learn about the properties of hash functions and the various types of hash functions that are used for hashing. In lecture number 14, we will be looking at how the collision occurs while hashing and what are the various ways of resolving this collision. In the various collision resolution techniques, we will be looking at separate chaining and open addressing. We will also be discussing various techniques of open addressing with the help of various examples. In order to make this video series, we have taken references from the various books, including Data Structures Using C and C++, Tenenbaum, Langsam, and Augustine's. And then we have taken Horowitz and Sahani's Fundamental Data Structures Using C. We have taken Data Structures Shom series, and we have also taken references from Thareja's Data Structures Using C. Thank you.